this kid again. You're in my spot.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'll move.
We do this every day of school. How could you possibly be so dense?
Hey. He got there first, so back off.
Why don't you make me?
Don't try me.
Jeez, alright. See ya, loser.
Hey, thanks, Alex.
No problem, but next time don't be such a pushover. You give him what he wants and he'll step all over you.
Hey, I'm not a pushover.
Oh really? Then can I have your lunch money?
Oh, yeah, sure,
Ha! Guess we better head to class.
So, Aiden, a full week off school. You excited?
Heck yeah,
Alright, you rat children, sit down.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
And that is how you destroy a human skull. You are dismissed.
Sir, the preparations for the army is almost complete. Good. Now prepare to attack the ninja. Those ninja won't know what hit them.
Yes, spring break. We can finally...
Looks like you won't be getting that break anytime soon.
Quick, get to the ninja suits. Alright, this is the plan. Neon, you take the left group. Zuko, on the right. Papa go behind, and me, Philip, and Ducky will go in the middle. Alright, let's go.
Whoa.
Retreat!
Huh, that was easy.
Dude, what the heck? You were supposed to stick to the plan. Now they got away.
Sorry, just thought your plan was stupid.
Oh yeah? Well, maybe next time.
You guys stop. We need to work together or this team will fall apart.
Fine.
Fine.
Good. Now, can we please go back to the monastery?
My lord, we failed to catch the ninja. Don't worry. I have an old technique that will sure to get us a ninja.
Hey, you guys did notice I changed my hair color, right?
Oh, yeah. It looks much better than it did before.
Yeah, he's got you there, Nick. Why did you dye your hair orange anyway?
I thought it would look good.
Well, I think it looks nice.
Thanks, Neon. Anyway,
Hey guys, we got a distress call. Or would it be considered a distress letter?
Doesn't matter. What does it say?
It says, I have a hostage. If you don't bring $1,000 over here, then you can consider her dead.
That sounds like a one-man job. So who's going?
Oh, I want to go.
no.
Aw, come on. I never get to go on solo missions.
That's because we don't trust you. Remember the last time you did a solo mission?
Ugh. That was a bad day. So, that leaves out Ducky. Who else?
Well, technically I found the letter. Therefore I should go.
Dang it. Fine, I guess Philip's going.
Yes!